Imagine a cat that's both alive and dead at the same time. Sounds impossible? Welcome to the bizarre world of quantum physics, a realm where the very foundations of reality become stranger than any science fiction story. Quantum physics is the science of the incredibly small, dealing with particles so tiny that atoms look like giants in comparison. We're talking about a scale where a single proton is to an apple as an apple is to the entire Earth. At this microscopic level, the familiar rules of our everyday world completely break down, and reality operates according to principles that challenge our most basic assumptions about how things work. In our everyday world, objects follow predictable, logical rules. A ball is either here or there, never both. A coin shows either heads or tails when it lands. Your car keys are in one specific location, even when you can't find them. But venture into the quantum realm, and these certainties dissolve into probability clouds and mysterious possibilities. Quantum particles can exist in what scientists call superposition, being in multiple states or locations simultaneously until someone observes them. Think of it like a coin that's perpetually spinning in the air, showing both heads and tails at the same time. Only when you catch it and look does it decide which side to show. But unlike our spinning coin analogy, quantum particles aren't simply hiding their true state. They genuinely exist in all possible states at once. This isn't just theoretical speculation. Scientists have demonstrated superposition in countless experiments. They've shown that individual photons of light can travel through two separate paths simultaneously, creating interference patterns that would be impossible if the photon had taken just one route. It's as if reality itself can't make up its mind until we force it to by measuring what's happening. The uncertainty principle, discovered by Werner Heisenberg, reveals another fundamental weirdness of quantum mechanics. The more precisely we know a particle's position, the less we can know about its momentum, and vice versa. This isn't a limitation of our measuring instruments. It's a fundamental property of reality itself. The universe appears to have built-in limits to how much information can be known about any quantum system. Perhaps even more mind-bending is quantum entanglement, which Einstein famously called spooky action at a distance. When particles become entangled, they form a mysterious connection that persists even when separated by vast distances. Measure one particle, and its entangled partner instantly responds, regardless of whether they're separated by inches or light years. This instantaneous connection seems to violate our understanding of space and time, yet it's been verified in experiment after experiment. But quantum physics isn't just abstract theory confined to university laboratories. The quantum world directly powers many technologies you use every day. Your smartphone's processor relies on quantum tunneling effects. GPS satellites must account for quantum mechanical effects to maintain accuracy. MRI machines use quantum properties of atomic nuclei to peer inside your body. Lasers, from the ones in DVD players to those performing delicate surgeries, operate through quantum mechanical processes. The future promises even more revolutionary quantum technologies. Quantum computers could solve certain problems exponentially faster than conventional computers, potentially revolutionizing fields from drug discovery to financial modeling. Quantum cryptography could create unbreakable communication networks. Scientists are even exploring quantum teleportation, not teleporting objects like in Star Trek, but transferring quantum states instantaneously across space. Here's perhaps the most profound mystery. Everything around you, from your smartphone to your pet to your own body, is made entirely of quantum particles following these bizarre rules. Yet somehow, when billions upon billions of quantum particles come together, they create the stable, predictable world we experience daily. How the quantum realm's inherent uncertainty transforms into our world's apparent certainty remains one of physics's deepest puzzles. So returning to that cat we started with, Schrödinger's famous thought experiment, in the quantum world, it really could exist in a superposition of being both alive and dead simultaneously, at least until someone opens the box to check. While we don't see such superpositions in everyday life, they're the fundamental reality underlying everything we know. Quantum physics reveals that our universe is far stranger, more wonderful, and more mysterious than our ancestors ever imagined. We're still in the early days of understanding these quantum mysteries, and each new discovery opens up possibilities we're only beginning to explore. The quantum revolution is just getting started, and its implications for technology, philosophy, and our understanding of reality itself are truly limitless. Want to explore more mind-bending science and discover what other mysteries our universe holds? Subscribe and join us as we continue unraveling the secrets of reality itself. The quantum world is waiting to show you just how extraordinary our universe really is.